Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click Tulip fountain pen. And here, each pen comes with a box like this, and this is made in India from Maharashtra. And yeah, and the model's name are also sticked in this box. And here, this is a dark blue color fountain pen with plastic finish. And here, this video is specially taken to give you the clear details about this pen, because just with photos you can't understand fully. So here, this pen has a golden trim set and golden clip and a golden ring on the cap, and there is another golden ring in the bottom of the cap. The brand's name Click was stamped in this body, and this is a thread type mechanism. And here there is a window in which you can find the ink's level inside, and especially in piston type filler there is always a window in this middle. And yeah, it's piston type one. You have to unscrew this part like this, you have to do. And yeah, now the piston will move forward when you're doing this in anti-clockwise direction, and you can dip in the ink and turn this in a clockwise direction, so the ink will be filled this portion. And here, this is number 5.5 nib. You can swap with any other nibs like you like, since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands. So yeah, this is a fine tipped one, and you can use fine, medium, broad nibs, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver one nibs also. And also flex nibs can be swapped with this pen. For that, you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And yeah, this is a transparent part here, so you please do not use primary color ink, so that it will create a stain on the wall of this pen. And again, on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder. So then you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly. Then you may have to shake the pens for the ink to come out, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder from the nib separately by holding this and twist and try to pull out. And then after removing, flush the feeder with the help of any toothbrush or any brush. Then clean well with soap water. Then if you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and wash the pen with running tap water. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So unless otherwise we have good maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on maintenance, some pens need to be fine-tuned. That is, while manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines like this up and down. So there will be a space created in the between of the tines. So the ink will flow good, and in turn you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure the both tines are parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customer, we do this fine tuning, and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And so here I am going to give the writing sample of this pen. For that, I am using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Yeah, this is so fine, and the writing is so good. Yeah, the flow is equal. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customer, even though the pen comes with a box like this, and here this part is not that much safe, so we do shipping in our Penhouse box. And this box is so comfortable to for this pen. And yeah, and over this we will wrap a foam sheet, so it will give a very comfortable and safe portion to the pen. So yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.